Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss how to find cube of numbers in Vedic Math using this Anurupenya method. In the previous session, I have already explained you how to find cubes of a number using Nyayagunam method. But that method has certain limitations, like if numbers are closer to the base, then only we can find out the cubes easily, otherwise it will be difficult. So in this method, we are going to have the solution of the same. And friends, as I told you in the earlier video, you should have idea about the cubes of the numbers from digit 1 to 10. So I already wrote it over here. For any competitive exam, you must remember this. Okay. So now what is this Anurupenya method that we need to understand first? So to understand it, let's say I need to find out cube of a number. That number is AB. So AB cube. You would be familiar with the binomial. Cube of a binomial. Let's say I need to find out cube of a plus b whole cube. Friend, what is it? Its formula is a cube, cube of the first one, plus 3 times a square b plus 3 times ab square plus b cube. This is the expansion of the cube of the binomial. These you would have already studied in your 8th or 9th grade, and if you have not studied it, just remember this formula, because this Anurupenya method is based on same. Here also we are following the same method, even though it is just a number, not addition, but we are going to follow the same. So I can say that it is also a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. But it will be little bit difficult to find them. So what we will do, we will divide it into some terms. So if I need to find out the cube of AB, so I will divide them into terms: first term, second term, third term, and fourth term. And friends, we are not going to add them like this binomial. We are going to do partition of them. Okay, here also I wrote addition, but it is not addition, friends. It is like this, and we will follow the carry forward method. So first one is a cube. So cube of the first digit. Then instead of writing 3a square b, I can just write it as a square b, then ab square, and then b cube. Then what we can do is, we can do the 2 times of this. So we just need to double it. 2 times a square b, 2 times ab square, and keep this b cube and a cube as it is. So we won't write them over here. We will just write them and then we will add them. And then we will follow the query forward method. So what do you need to remember? You need to remember just this formula. You need to divide them into 4 terms. So friends, remember it. AB cube. So cube of the first term, which is a cube. A square b, square of the first multiplied by second term. Or we can say second digit, first digit times square of the second digit and cube of the second digit. Then we need to double in between intermediate numbers. Then we need to add this and this. So you can say that a square b plus 2 times a square b, which is 3 a square b, same as b is 1. And if I add this 2, I will get 3ab square. So friends, you need to remember this formula, and we just need to substitute the values in it, and then we will simplify. So let's take some of the examples. Let's take first example, cube of 18. So I can say that friend, here my a is 1, b is equals to 8, and let's write square as well because we will need them. So a square is 1 and b square is equals to 64. Now let's substitute values over here. So a cube, it means cube of 1, which is 1. So let me write 1. A square b, a square is 1, a square b 8, 1 times 8 is 8. AB square is 1, b is 64, 1 times 64, which is 64, and b cube, which is cube of 8, which is 512. If you don't remember, you can refer to this table. Okay. Now next step is, we need to write down double of it, 2 intermediate digits. So this is 16, this one is 128. Now we need to add them. So I can say that 24, and if I add these numbers, I can say this will be the 190. Keep these 2 digits first and last as it is. Now next step is, as it is 18, we should write just 1 digit from these one, and rest of the digit, it means 51, will go as carry. So if I add 51 to it, it will become 243. But I should write just 3 down. 24 will go as carry with this, so it is 48. But I will take just 8 over here, and 4 will go as carry with this, so it will become 5. So my final answer of the cube of 18 is 5832. You can check it with calculator. Let's take some more examples. Cube of 39. Now you can see that it is not closer to the multiple of base 10. So these can be done with this Anurupenya method, but not the previous one. So here I can say that my A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 9, and A square is 9 and now B square is 81, right? Now next one is we need to write cube of 3, which is 27, right? Now A square B, A square times B, 9 times 9, which is 81. Now I need to write A times B square. A times B square, 3 times 81, so I can say 243. Then B cube, it means cube of 9, which is 720. Now I need to double them. If I double it, these will become 162 and this will become 486. Now we need to add this intermediate, right, and rest of the digits as it is. So 729 as it is. This will become 9, 2 and 7, 729, and this will become 3, 8 plus 6, 4, so 243, and this is 27, right? Now next one is I can bring down this 7, right, 9, and the 72 will go as carry. So I can see that this is 11, 1 as carry, and 0, 1, 8, 0, 1. So I can simply write 1 over here. This 80 whole will go as carry, so 80. So this will become 323. So I can bring down this 3, but I need to add this 32 as carry, and my answer will be, this will become 5 and 9. So my final answer of this question is 59319. This is cube of 39. You can check it with calculator. Let's take one more example, which is 71 cube. So I can say that my A is equals to 7 and B is equals to 1. Square of first one is 49 and square of second one is just 1. So A cube. Cube of 7, which is 343. So let me write here 343. A square B. A square times B. 1 times 49. 49. AB square. AB square, which is 7, and B cube is 1. Now I need to double them. So this will become 14. And how much is these one? We can see that this is 98. Now we need to add this intermediate 1 as it is. This is 21. This is 7 and 147. And this will be 343 as it is, right? Now next step is no carry, as it is just 1. Bring this one down, 2 as carry, so this will become 149. So 9 as it is. This 14 will go as carry. So this, now we just need to write down this number. We need to bring everything down because we don't have anything to carry forward, right? So I can say 7 and this is 5, 3, 5, 7. So answer is 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 1. This is cube of 71. It is very interesting, right? Now let's take how to find cube of 3-digit numbers. So I took 106 cube. I can divide them into two parts, like A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 6. So I can say my A square is square of 10, which is 100, and square of B, which is 36. Now first step is we need to write down cube of 10, which is 1000. Now A square B. A square is 100 times 6, which is 600. So I can write it as 600. AB square. A times B square, which is 360, and B cube means cube of 6, which is 260. Now we need to write down double of this. So I can say this will become 1200 and this will become 720. Now we need to add them, but keep this first and last as it is. If I add this 2, I can say that 1080. If I add this, I can say 1800. Now friends, Here it is 3-digit number, but still we will take just 1 digit down. So I can say it is 6. 21 will go as carry. So if I add 21 to 8, this will become 1101. So bring this one down. Take this 110 as carry, 110 as carry. So I will bring the 0 down. But my number 191, this will go as carry with this 191. So if I add 191. So my final answer of cube of 106 is 11911016. You can check it with calculator. Generally in competitive exams, they ask cube of 2-digit numbers. If it is 3-digit, then also I have given you the solution of it. Hope you have enjoyed this session. If you have really enjoyed this session, please friend, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it by pressing the bell icon. Keep watching videos on my channel. Thank you.